The Settlement Elastic Consolidation Interactive Calculator determines both elastic and consolidation settlements for foundation design. Let me walk you through the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from options including Calculate Total Settlement, Elastic Settlement Only, Consolidation Settlement Only, Required Elastic Modulus, Allowable Load from Settlement Limit, or Settlement at Specific Time. I'm using Calculate Total Settlement. For drainage condition, choose between double drainage or single drainage. I've selected double drainage. Enter your applied load in kilonewtons, foundation area in square meters, foundation width in meters, elastic modulus S in kilopascals, and Poisson's ratio. Then input compressible layer thickness in meters, initial void ratio E0, compression index CC, initial effective stress S0 in kilopascals, coefficient of consolidation, CV in square meters per year, time period in years, allowable settlement in millimeters, and target settlement in millimeters. Here's our example. With 500 kilonewtons applied load on a 4 square meter area, the calculator shows contact pressure of 125 kilopascals. The elastic settlement is 12.43 millimeters, while consolidation settlement reaches 291.78 millimeters, giving a total settlement of 304.21 millimeters. The assessment indicates this exceeds typical limits and foundation redesign is recommended. This tool helps engineers quickly evaluate settlement behavior for foundation design decisions. Find the link in the description below.